Turning to our forecast now in the area, it's been a quiet morning for us so far. We are here in Collingswood earlier today where people were enjoying the calm before tonight's storm. So let's check in with Kate Bilo to see what's happening. I guess we better enjoy the, a few hours now, or how long do we have?
Not much time at all, Natasha. In fact, I was just kind of standing in front of the window trying to soak up just a little bit of vitamin D before the sun disappears. We may not see it again until late tomorrow afternoon if we're lucky. We are in a next weather alert as a potent storm takes aim at the region by tonight. Let's take a look at what's happening outside. And when I tell you don't have long to enjoy the sun, the reason I say that is because I pulled up this camera about 5-6 minutes ago. And the reason I did is because it looked like blue sky. It was sunny and I was going to say what a nice start to the day, but the shore is going to go downhill. And it only took about 5 or 6 minutes, and now it's looking pretty overcast in Cape May. There are a few folks out on the beach letting the dog run, enjoying a nice quiet start to the day. Enjoy it now, because especially down the shore, the wind is going to be brutal late tonight, as well as the risk for some coastal flooding. So timing out your day through noon, clouds are increasing. You will still see a few breaks of blue sky here and there through the next couple of hours, but by noon, I think it's pretty much a flat overcast for us. Noon to 8 p.m., light rain. There could be a little bit of a light mixing in the Lehigh Valley, so keep that in mind for your evening commute. But in the city, it's just really rain showers. It's after 8 p.m. that we enter the height of the storm. It's a wind-driven rain. Could even be some thunder and lightning. Some dangerous freezing rain possible in the Poconos. So right now, a few breaks in the cloud cover, but our storm is knocking on the door. Notice it is lightening up just a little bit as it encounters some dry air. I think the rain will relatively be light again through the evening commute. But as we widen out, this same storm system produced just a drastic amount of severe weather yesterday across the southern plains. We had over 6 tornado reports. You can see the line of storms producing the threat for severe weather again today, mainly off to the south and west. But as all of this energy moves east and starts to tap into some moisture from the coast, we're going to really feel the winds pick up and the rain pick up as the night goes on. A very stormy night for us. 48 degrees today, increasing clouds. We're seeing that right now. Rain showers arrive by afternoon, but tonight is the focus. Again, 8 p.m. to 2 a.m., the height of the storm. It's that wind-driven rain, 41 degrees the overnight low. Winds could gust again in the city up to 35 miles per hour and even higher down the shore. So your storm impacts, how much rain are we talking? We're looking at a widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain. We haven't had too much lately that we are completely saturated that we'd be looking for widespread flooding, but certainly ponding is going to be a concern, some low-lying or poor drainage flooding as well. Winds gust to 35 miles per hour inland, 50 miles per hour at the coast. Poconos could see some winter weather, a couple inches of snow, and then some dangerous ice, but should even transition there to plain rain. Take a look at these winds, though. By 8:30 tonight, winds are gusting to 30, 40 plus miles per hour. By midnight, 50 miles per hour in Wildwood. And even tomorrow, after the storm exits around the back edge of it, it is still going to be a very blustery day. So here is our wind advisory for the shore points and the Delaware beaches. Gusts to 50 miles an hour. Secure any outdoor objects, outdoor furniture. This is very strong wind and could lead to some scattered power outages. We also have a winter weather advisory for the Poconos, Carbon and Monroe counties, again, for that ice and snow concern. So that is why we are in a next weather alert. It's not for right now. It is for later tonight. Plan ahead. Get everything secured, especially if you're down the shore. Tomorrow, still very blustery, but then it does start to improve. Sunday is a much nicer day. Monday looks beautiful. Just a stray shower chance on Tuesday, and then a bit cooler by Wednesday. Natasha will send it back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you very much.